Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 270. If we start with this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. No help here. 4, 7, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 7. And no help here. 4, 7, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 1, 5, 6 here, so this is our 8. One and 6 here, so 5. 6 here makes this our 1, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 9 here, so our 9 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 7, 8. Sorry, this row I meant. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 7, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4, 7. No help here. 1, 4, 7, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 4, 6. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 1, 2. 2 and 6 here, so 1, 4. So if we look, the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. And the only place the 1 can be is here. That 1 makes this our 7. And that 7 makes this our 8, 7. So we can, oh, now we have 1, 7, and 8 here, so this is our 4 for that box. 4 and 7 here makes this our 1, and this our 8. If we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 1, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 7, 8. 4, 8, and 9 here. Means this is our 7, 8. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 7, 9, 4. 4 and 9 makes this our 7. And now we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. And this 9 then makes this our 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. Got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 6. 1 covering both of these boxes. But I don't, oh, and a 9 here. So this is our 6, 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing a 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. And for this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.